Imperial armored transports have landed. Base evac is underway, but it's not going quickly. Our mission is to delay the assault as long as we can. We've got a small stock of rocket launchers. Not much else that'll scratch those walkers. Fighting on the open ice is a recipe for disaster, but it's better than letting the enemy inside the base.
Turret ready. Grenade deployed. For the Rebel Alliance! Fire set for the Rebel Alliance! Grenade out! We stand together!
Walker's still standing.
We'll bring this Empire down! Grenade out!
Clean hit! Walker damaged!
Grenade set! Rally soldiers, we stand together!
Seared the armor! Not much more!
We stand together!
How thick is that armor?
Autogun ready. We'll bring this Empire down! Grenade out!
Walker's crossing the second line, halfway to the base.
For the Rebel Alliance!
Those things are tough.
Vader has joined the Imperials. Be cautious.
Grenade out! Turret installed. Without us, the Rebel Alliance falls!
The Emperor has come. Everyone beware.
For the Rebel Alliance!
Go down already!
Grenade out!
Don't you dare.
We got covering fire. We stand together!
Come out!
Walkers in the inner perimeter. They're closing in on the base.
Enemy elite on sight! Watch out!
There's the armor! Not much more!
We'll bring this empire down! Turret.
It's too late. That walker is in assault range. Fall back into the hangars. We'll meet the enemy attack there. The evac is proceeding, but the enemy is sending ground troops. Defend the hangars. If we lose here, they'll trap us in fuel storage.
Turrets on.
Elite ally on the ground!
Without us, the Rebel Alliance falls! Grenade out! We stand together!
Darth Vader!
Disrupt their forces in the east hangar.
For the
Go!
Rebel Alliance!
Ally landing! Looks like we got a friend!
West Tire is not secure! Repeat, not secure!
Get to the hangar and reinforce our position.
For the Rebel Alliance! Grenade out! Turret ready.
Bosk has come here to hunt. Watch out.
Turret ready. Grenade out.
Losing the west anchor!
We'll bring this empire down!
West hangar under severe threat. Push the enemy out.
Sweeping for targets. Grenade
The
out!
hangars are lost. This is it. Fall back to fuel storage. They're trying to blow the fuel supply. It would ground the transports and devastate the base. We must stop them. The evacuation must not fail.
Rally soldiers, we stand together! Grenade set!
Some kind of special combatant on the ground. Fueling station has been rigged to blow!
Detonator set at the
The
depot.
Rebel Alliance falls!
Into battle. We go.
Darth Vader is here.
Bomb removed from the depot.
Focus!
Grenade out!
We do it the hard way.
Turret ready. We'll bring this empire down! Grenade out!
The Imperials have hired Boba Fett.
Demolition team targeting the pipes.
We stand together!
Who is that? Imperial elite on the ground!
There's a bomb at the depot!
We'll bring this
Depot
empire
explosives
down!
neutralized!
Turret ready. Grenade out!
Bosk is hunting for the Empire. Be careful.
Explosives charging! They're targeting the pipes!
Re-secure the area and clear the charges.
Fuel pipes clear of explosives!
The Rebel Alliance! Grenade out!
Disarm the bomb.
For the Rebel Alliance! Grenade out!
Pipes clear! Charges neutralized!
Back off!
Got the bomb! Pipes are safe!
All transports ready to launch. We did what we were asked, what the rebellion needed. Hoth is lost.